Open Document Presentations, Customizing Slides. We're going to watch a slideshow to see what these slides will look like when they're presented. Click on the slideshow button. Left click with the mouse to move to the next slide. So far so good. Click the left mouse button again. It looks as though there's a strange slide here that doesn't have much on it. Click to see the next slide. If we wanted to go back to one of the slides, we could right-click anywhere and select Go to Slide. There's a problem though. The slides are called 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're not too sure which slide we should be on. Click away from the menu and then press Escape to exit the slideshow. Scroll back up to the top slide. The best place to work with the slides is in the slide sorter. On the slide sorter pane, we can right-click on the slide that we don't want and say Delete Slide. If we do need an extra slide, we can right-click anywhere in the area below and say New Slide. If it's not in the correct position, we can drag it to where we want it. Right-click on any slide and select Rename Slide. Type in a useful name. It's going to be much easier to find a slide with a name. Click on OK. Go back to normal view. When we hover the mouse over this slide, we'll see it has a name. If we hover the mouse over the other slides, they are still numbered. To add headers or footers to a slide, select the Insert item and go to one of these, either page number or date and time. This will open up the header and footer dialog. Let's have a look at how the headers and footers look. At the moment, there are no headers and footers. Select date and time, footer, and slide number. Slides normally don't have headers, only footers. If we select date and time, it will show on the left. If we select footer, it will show in the center. And if we select slide number, it will show on the right. That's where the slide number will go, that's where the footer will be, and that's where the date and time will be placed. Let's type in some text on the footer, such as the name of the person who did the project. Let's leave all these options showing, and let's say do not show on the first slide. But we're going to apply this to all the slides, not just the first slide.